Dillion over there. Just got done with a little tutorial. We've already hooked a couple whitefish. Strip in a little, bud. There we go. There we go. There. I'm gonna trout, cutthroat. Ate the sow bug. Well, skunks off for me. Hello, little cutthroat. What are you doing, friend? Thank you very much. A whitefish or a trout, Shane? There we go. I went back to the crap that was actually working for me. Oh, get him. There we go. Oh, had him there for a sec, I think. Did you feel a little pressure there? There we go. That one might get a little better. There's a trout. Yeah, cool. What do we got? Another cutthroat. That's a pretty cutthroat there. Took the middle one. I need to rethink this. Maybe I want to do like a worm there. Hey, handsome. Oh, they fight nice and when the water gets just the temperature, huh? The bottom of it. Pretty one. There we go. Another little one. I wonder if these are mostly like little trout hanging down here. What few I'm getting. Oh, that one he felt pretty good. Out of the Silver King, I think I heard somebody say. Oh, the red worm. Cool. Another brown trout. Hello, little friend. Finally gonna maybe land one. Oh, I'd probably kiss a death there. He ate either the worm or the salmon. I think he ate the worm. Okay. Yeah, he sure did. Ate that. The little brown trout. Hey, little brown trout. Ooh, got him in the anus. This one's a trout. Yeah, sure. Another brown. Woohoo! Bow to the Silver King. There's a good brown trout. They're here. This is my third brown trout right here. Yeah, they're not big, but they're, you know, they're fun. Now keep at it. You just got to get a really good mend. Go on over there. That might be fun to do. Tying up here while Dylan fights a good fish. That might be a good way to go. He just got a worm and a... Oh, did he eat the worm? The tail did. Oh. Oh, get him. There you go. Remember to let him run. Oh, keep it tight, but let him run. Good job. Remind me, we got to fix your rod there. It's all twisted up on the end.
Is it?
Yeah, we'll fix that quick. There's a trout.
Is it a trout?
Yeah, it's a nice rainbow, dude. Good job. Ate your zertle, or your first fly. What was your first fly?
Some little thing.
Some kind of something small.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Come here, friend. There we go. Hey, all right. Good work. Oh, you ate the worm. Yeah, that's a good idea. Turn. He's right there. Pretty good. Watch it close. Come on now. I didn't even bend the barb off that one. Alright. Better put my rig away. Oh, reel. Yeah. Just stay tight. Oh. Okay, keep the rod up high. Reel. He's running at you. There you go. Now when he turns suddenly and runs, just take your hand off that reel so you can take it. Keep that up here. There you go. As long as that rod is bent, your chance of losing is much less. You're doing good, Garren.
Yep.
Woohoo! There, he's starting to get tired a little bit.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah. He might have another run or two in him.
Oh, great.
Still haven't really seen him. Yeah.
You get around, you're just gonna be
I'm gonna go on the other side. You just stay right there.
Ooh, had a tail.
Yeah. That is a whitefish hooked in the belly.
Ah.
That's all right though. That was a good fight. That was fun.
It felt a lot bigger.
I thought you had a big old trout the way you ran. Yeah, hooked in the belly, but that's 2 casts and 2 fish for him. After I went to just a worm and a sow bug.
Is that what he is?
Yeah, and a weight.
That's what he's got on. I put a welt on it.
Sure.
A little less dramatic.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing. I think the big fly is maybe, although his weight might swap it around a little bit. I want to do a wonder bug in there, I think. Or even just go run the line up and over his head, maybe. Just drop your rod there so you can get around it. Let's fix your rod there, Dylan. See how that line, wait, yeah, come back over here. I'm gonna fix that rod. It's in just a minute. Drop that down here. Oh, sorry, dude. See how it's looped around right here?
Yeah.
You see him? Okay.
Oh yeah, this is Garren, bro. This is a 4 or 5.
Oh, and then watch your weight on here, dude. It's slipping down on you. The fish don't like that. Yeah. So if you see it, you just gotta slide it back up and give it a little pinch. Okay. Go help over here. I got a net.
Real red fins. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Right?
There's that, a rainbow? I think it's a post-spawn rainbow. Yeah. Nice fish. Cool spots on him. Eat the worm.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Big fish.
Doesn't suck.
What did he eat? Worm?
Yep.
Take my picture, Daniel.
I would be happy to. Let's see. Hello, friend. You liked that little softie. Yeah. So there are, in point of fact, trout out there. Okay. Okay, I'm not casting until you guys are untangled. I can coach you into. There's fish out through there. Forgot to turn my camera on. Here, slippery fella. Ouch. Oh boy, cold water. Okay. There's nothing wrong with that trout. Good job, Bill. Like that little salvo. You sure you don't want to? Oh, he's got some cutthroat in him. See?
Does he? Oh, he does.
Yeah.
That's
You
cool.
sure you don't want to kiss him?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get. All right, go ahead and dip that net in.